The grizzly bear population in Yellowstone National Park in 1970 was about 270. Over the next 35 years, it increased by about 115%. What was the population in 2005? So the first part is easy. I'll start with the easy math. 1970 plus 35 years makes 2005. So we're just trying to see what the increase from 270 bears by 115% makes. What number does that make? Now, this is a, we're using the percent of change and we're finding out what the number is. So this is kind of what we did before, but it's reversed. Um, but you start the same way. You figure out exactly what the change is. And the way you do that is you multiply the original number by the percent increase. And you may not think of 115% as a real number, but if we think about it as multiplying a decimal, then it's going to make more sense. You're going to say, okay, well, this is something I've actually been doing for a long time. So we're going to change it to 115. Now, if you don't remember how to multiply decimals, you should check out the video on just doing that. But to save time in this video, I'm just going to tell you that the answer is 310.5. Now, we're going to have to round because what are we talking about? We're not talking about dollars. We're talking about bears. And we can't have a half of a bear. So we're going to round this up to 311. So when they say it increased by about 115%, what they mean is it increased by 311. So we just need to do the increase plus the original amount. And that's pretty simple math. So I'll do that right in front of you. We have a 1, and then 7 plus 1 makes 8. 2 plus 3 makes 5. So we end up with 581. Don't forget the units at the end. Bears.